Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Hedera's price chart, and I still stand by my analysis. I think in the short term, there is a chance that we may see a move on the upside. Why? Let's go on maybe 15-minute chart. Maybe it's best to go on crypto.com since in there we are having better looking candlesticks. So what do we have off of this low? I'm thinking this might be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, followed by most likely an A, B, C zigzag. And sure, maybe in the next couple of hours you are going to see a move down, but as long as we are not taking this low, I think we can count on some more moves on the upside in order to complete the subwaves for a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. However, this is the key. Right around these areas, I need you to be very, very patient and careful. Why? Because odds are on a higher degree, we may have an ABC zigzag, something like this, and the subways for it are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into A. Let's change the colors to red. Okay, correction for wave B, maybe ABC, maybe WXY, possibly even a triangle, not important. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up into wave C. Let's go on the live chart. Okay, as you can see, from the lowest low, like we talked about it also in the previous update, we are absolutely able to find a 5 wave up to about here, but this might be into an A leg, followed by, I'm gonna say, yes, probably an A, B, C zigzag into wave B. And again, even if we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, that might be into our C leg, indicating our move down in Hedera overall may not be over yet. And from here, you may see another move down in order to take the lowest low all the way down here about 1.8 cents, especially since in this phase down you are absolutely able to find a complete impulse, which is definitely not an optimistic sign. And finally, in terms of the targets, well, that is still the same. You see, we do have kind of an important region right around here between, let's say, 1.7 to about 1.7.5 cents. And I think this was also an important gap. And since I believe gaps 95+% of the time are going to get filled, well, okay, from my point of view, makes perfect sense to argue that in Hedera, we are going to have a move down and fill this gap. And let's hope that in that process, we are not going to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 1.7 cents. And from these areas, we are going to have a very strong bounce back. So for now, please expect another move down in Hedera in order to take the lowest low. But before that, since these highs look very, very juicy, and I'm willing to bet that a lot of people have put their stop loss for the short positions above the highs, you may see something like this, wave 3 and 4 and 5, and then we may see another move down. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Hedera. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.